ever seen the process of settling of a curd or a clear solution getting cloudy in nature or turbid in nature? Yes, that is because of the bacteria dividing in it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Genius Minds. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about the bacterial growth curve, how a bacteria divides in the solution or in the media provided. So let us learn about the bacterial growth by the help of this simple curve. Before that, a bacterial cell divides from one single cell to two daughter cells by the process called as binary fission. And the time duration in between is known as generation time. The time required by the single bacteria to divide into two daughter cells is known as generation time or the doubling time. So, as soon as you are allowing a loop full of bacteria in the clear solution and allowing its growth, it follows a certain growth pattern which is known as bacterial growth curve. The four important phases in the bacterial growth curve are lag phase, log phase, stationary phase and the decline phase. We are going to learn about each one of them. Yes, so the lag phase. Lag phase is the starting phase of the bacteria where it doesn't divide but it adapts in the new environment. So it is the adaptation phase of the bacterial cell. It increases in size. So only it increases in size. It assembles all the necessary enzymes or the required things which will be helpful in the division process. So that's why you can see a clear straight line parallel to the time axis. So if you will see, the graph is plotted between the number of cells on y-axis versus time on x-axis. So in the lag phase, there is no division happening, only the bacterial cell adapts itself in the new environment and increases in size, not in number. But as soon as it's moved to the next phase, which is known as log phase, the another name for log phase is exponential phase. Here takes the division of bacterial cells. So the important phase where the division takes place is the log phase. One cell gets divided into the two cells. Division of bacterial cell takes place here. So you can see, you can find a straight line over here corresponding to number of cell versus time. So this is known as log phase, also known as exponential phase. With the increase in time, the bacterial cells are increasing in number. But the third phase is known as stationary phase. With the passing of the time, what happens during the log phase? The bacteria uses a nutrient available in the surrounding and multiplies. But certainly one point will be there where the nutrients will start depleting because we are not adding up the nutrients, right? So that there will be the depletion of the nutrients. So this is where the stationary phase begins. So here the key important point in the stationary phase is that the number of live cells or the viable cells is equal to the cells which are dying. So they are equal in number. This is what is happening in stationary phase. Another key advantage is that you can also get secondary metabolites in this phase. Any type of, if the bacteria secretes any type of toxins, endotoxin or exotoxin, you can get it from this phase, that is stationary phase. Now, as the stationary phase completes, there comes a last phase which is known as death phase. Now, death phase is also known as decline phase. In this phase, the number of dead cells are more. The cell starts dying. Why? Because there is no nutrient present in the surroundings, so the bacteria cannot live forever there because they are not having any good source of nutrition. So they start dying. So if you will see over here in the death phase, there takes place the decline in the growth. So you can see this curve falling down towards the time axis. So this is all about the bacterial growth curve where we have seen lag phase, log phase, stationary phase and the death phase. With this, the bacteria completes its division. So that's all for today's video. If you are really liking my videos and getting motivated, please do drop a comment, like my video, share my channel and subscribe it. Thank you so much.